Today we're going to be talking about the Fluke Networks LinkIQ, Network Tester, and Remote ID. Operation is going to be pretty simple. First, we're going to find a port. First, you locate the port you want to test. In this case, it's going to be this one on the right side. There's an Ethernet port on the top front of the Fluke tester. What we're going to do is just plug an Ethernet cable in. Now that our Ethernet cable is in, I'm going to connect it to the jack and hit auto test. So the results should show you the IP address, the speed, the VLAN, the switch number, and the MAC address. Additionally, the remote ID will help you find the switch port that you're looking for on the other end. So we have the remote ID plugged in here. Okay, so the whole point of the remote ID is so when you're at the switch, you can tell which jack that is on the other side that the remote ID is plugged into. If you didn't know, you would have to come to each one of these ports and just test it with the tester until you find the remote ID. Okay, for us, we were lucky enough, we tested the port and we know the port is going to be E3. So we didn't have to search each actual switch to figure out which port we were supposed to plug into. So here we just went ahead and plugged in the E3. Okay, once we're plugged in, we're not going to use the auto test feature. We're going to hit the 3 prongs on the bottom right side. After hitting the 3 prongs, you'll see a few options here. We're going to go ahead and select the option for cable test. Then we're going to go ahead and hit the OK at the bottom here. Then we're going to hit cable test again. Okay, so this is what you'll see if the remote ID is not connected and you test the port. And this is what you'll see if it is detected. Okay, so there's a lot of helpful things that you could use with this, mostly used for networking. The Fluke Network LinkIQ, a lot of different options that you can use. It can help you find a port. It can help you locate the jack. It can give you some IP information and various other things that could be done with the Cable IQ tester. Thank you for checking out Maker's Edge Studio today.